Hello guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be talking about why it's important to keep yourself organized doing Stepdeck. Okay guys, so I'm here in Pecos, Texas, and I drove 718 miles today. Could have drove more, but decided not to because I don't know if there's good fuel where I'm gonna go, and I want to be at a place where I can fuel just in case I need to fuel. But anyway, and I'm tired as well. But anyway, in this video I'm gonna be showing you why it's important to keep yourself organized and show you how long it took me to clean up somebody's mess. Okay, this trailer that I had before, it was disorganized by somebody, and it took me an hour and a half to clean it up and put it properly. And whoever I know the driver. He did not put everything organized. I even found a chain binder in the compartment box where all the straps go. Okay. And basically, I have now found time where I'm not too tired, where I can go through this, make a video, and also sort things out, because when I'm going to do my deliveries and pickups, I will know, just in case if I'm going to pick up a car, let's say, I will know where the tire straps are, where this type of strap is, where all the chains are, where all the hooks are, and where all the edge guards are. So I like to be well organized. I'm going to show you what I'm dealing with and how I'm going to do it and how long it's going to take me. I'm so far with recording this video, 12:25. I started cleaning up this mess, and we'll see how long it's going to take. Okay guys, so first off, this is where I keep my chains, or mostly all of us keep our chains in chain binder. You have to go between the truck and trailer. It's underneath. They built a special location here, and you put your chains on one side and your chain binders on the other side. And if they don't fit on top to be hooked and latched on, you can throw them on the bottom here. They ain't gonna go or run away anywhere. It's perfectly safe. This chain binder right here, this chain binder was found in this compartment box. I'll show you. Guys, it was found in this left driver's side compartment box. This is all a mess. This is all a mess that I have to sort with and deal with, all because the driver did not want to put back stuff properly. And it's very important, because you could be searching for an hour, and just because they're all tied up and twisted each other, you need everything organized. That way you can grab and know where everything is. So this is what the left side looks like. He just stuck the chain binder in there, and it's all a mess hooking onto straps, so it's even hard to take off the chain binder. Destroyed that box that had the car straps where I had it nice and neat, so I have to figure out a new way. And let's go take a look at the right side, the passenger compartment box. Okay, so the passenger compartment box is here, and I'm gonna open it up. It's not as messy. So what happened is, everything that was on the right side got taken out and thrown on the left. So I have to deal with this here, and I have to deal with that side. So what's gonna go in here? Over here, as I'm gonna decide, is 2-inch straps and ratchets and a bungee cords. That's what is gonna go in there, and the rest I'll have to sort out. So time to get start to work and see how far we can make it. So guys, obviously I got quite a bit of sorting out to do, especially this fact right here, all bundled up. But I sorted out. I started putting the 4-inch straps there, and these right here, these are the what are they called? It's for the rollers, or coils. They're the coil stoppers, or whatever you want to call them, the coil racks. And you can put them in the back if you need them. Then you can take them out. Most of the time, we don't ever haul them, but once we do, you just need to take them out. It's nice and neat back there. Tire strap right here. I created this wood dunnage here as a blocker, so I could put more equipment here, and this separates from the tire straps from here and eliminates this garbage box. And with this being said, hopefully once I put it in, it could be nice and neat. Like this could go in the back over here, and see how nice and neat it is. Now I just gotta figure it out and work and sort out all of this here, all the bungee cords, and then working to sorting out on the other side. So yeah, still got a little bit figuring out to do, but I'll get it done. Okay guys, so obviously not done, but as you can see what I did with the edge guards, I made a bracade or a brigade or whatever you want to call it, a blockade, and I put them like this, and the J-hooks I put underneath the 4-inch. So if I find any more J-hooks, I'm just gonna stick them underneath these. And look how beautiful this is, all nice and neat right now. Like, this really shouldn't move other than this way, which I'm fine with. I can just put it back on, but this right here is not gonna move. So now I still gotta sort all this junk right here yet. Okay guys, so this is still working on sorting everything out, and what is helping me is my roller, my strap roller. So it's already like 12:55, so worked on it for 30 minutes. So we'll see how long it's gonna take me to organize somebody else's mess. Okay guys, so still clearing this up, getting better. I'm gonna show you why I hate when drivers do this right here. Okay, a lot of times the drivers will have this thing rolled up like this, the strap over the ratchet, and this is why I hate it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. First of all, it gets all messy and can fall apart in the bottom and get tangled. Second part is, you see how these right here, these 2 inches that are rolled up, are all nice and rolled up? When I grab this hook and hook onto this rail right here, I can throw this, step back, throw it over my load, and be fine with it. You cannot throw these like that over the load, over the load, only when it's rolled up like that. So this is why I like to keep it rolled up like that. Okay guys, so I just gotta sort these out, finish throwing everything there. This supposedly probably goes on the other side, but I have to sort out the other compartment first before figuring this out right here. Okay guys, so pretty much all cleaned up, just a few bungee hooks lying around that need to put with the bungees. But as you can see, this compartment is clean, everything is nice and neat in here. I just need to go check out what's on the other side and sort that side out, because these straps, ratchet straps and bungee cords all need to go on that side. But in order to do that, I gotta first sort it out, and then I can throw stuff there. Okay guys, so this is what I rescued so far. A piece of wood that I'm gonna put on that side as a barrier, and some more edge guards, and some 3/0 range straps, and some more 4-inch. Some of these are junk because they're either short or have cuts and rips in them. So I am gonna put them hidden underneath so that they'll be the last taken, if anything, and we can use the new ones. But sooner or later we have to throw them out. So basically, right away I'm gonna start is, this is gonna be an edge guard strap. Gonna put these right over here, and yeah, gonna go ahead and start. Or actually, yeah, that's perfect. That's where exactly I'm gonna put them, and I'm gonna show you what I all did in just a few. Okay guys, the right passenger compartment box is done. So got the bungee cords here. I got the 2-inch straps. Okay, these are brand new, so I didn't take out the ratchet strap, but 2-inch straps here, and underneath there is portable 4-inch tie downs. It's like a thing that you put in a bracket over here, and you can tie down portably. And over here is the 2-inch ratchet straps. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 Turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.